Are you looking to find the perfect fit for your clothing? Look no further. We've got you covered with our step-by-step measurement guide. Neck measurement. Wrap the measuring tape around your neck and take down the measurement. In addition, for a looser fit with your shirt button, take the measurement to gain an inch. Chest measurement. Wrap a measuring tape around the fullest part of your chest, under your armpits and across your shoulder blades. Stand up straight with your arms relaxed at your side. Take the measurement and record it. Sleeve length. Measure from the top of your shoulder to your wrist with your arms slightly bent. Back shoulder. From side to side, relax your arms and measure from one shoulder to the next shoulder. Congratulations, you have successfully measured yourself. Now you can confidently choose the right size and ensure a tailored fit that complements your body shape.